Okay, in this tutorial, we will learn how to perform drag and drop operation with the Actions API, Selenium Actions API. So this is the sample application. It has a droppable area and you need to drag this box and drop it here. Initially you can see that background color of drop here is gray. Now after dropping, it will become automatically yellow. So this, or maybe you can perform some other drag and drop operation, like let's say I wanted to drag it here and drop it there, that way you can do it. It's completely, our wish, where what we wanted to do it. So I'm writing a new class, perform drag and drop. Okay, I will need some in same line of codes initially, so just copy pasting it from other class. The method name is test drag and drop. Okay, and the website URL is different. So this is the website URL, and after that let's take that both the elements, the element which you wanted to drag and the other element on which you want to drop. So element to drag is equal to driver dot find element by dot. Let's find out the locator for that. Okay, I will first move on to the default UI. So see, after opening a browser, this is how you will see. I wanted to inspect this element. It has a draggable and there is another box with a droppable ID. Draggable and droppable. So I will go and use their IDs instead of class, because both elements have IDs. So this is draggable. This is from. This is to drag, drop. This is to drag was right, to drag, and this is to drop. And the ID is droppable. Okay. Now simply let's create object of actions class. Actions. From Selenium interactions. I will just try to read few attributes of toDrop. So toDrop dot get CSS value, get CSS. Background position is this, inherited from body. Okay, no problem. What I will do is I will only copy the background, or you can just simply droppable. I'm writing a piece of a jQuery. One second, guys. CSS get. I'm just trying to find out which is the CSS attribute for background color. This is it. Okay. Go back. Just write it here. Oh, still it is not giving me. Yeah, it is empty. It is empty. Ah, that was my mistake. That ID is what? Droppable, na? ID is droppable. It's not giving me. Let's see if the droppable is getting identified. No, it is not working. Why is it so? Okay, use simple JavaScript document dot get element by ID. It is droppable. Is it returning element? No. Why is it so? The very first thing you need to identify whether it is in frame. So is it in frame? So if these elements are inside a frame, what you need to do is switch into frame. So my class name is this. Is it having ID or name? No, it has a class name. So you can switch to a frame using driver dot switch to dot frame, and this frame objects take web element object. So that web element object I will get it from driver dot find element. Am I right? So I will write it here, driver dot find element by dot class name. The class name is this. Okay, I switch into frame, and then I will get the draggable to drop the CSS values I wanted to read. What I will do is right click this frame, open in a new tab. Open frame in new tab. So it becomes little bit easier, to work with it. So now I will write that jQuery part. Is it returning element? Yes or no? Yes, it is. So CSS value background. So let's see what is the background of that element. It is empty. Background color, yeah. The background color is RGB 233 233 233. That means it is creating a gray shade. Okay, and after doing a mouse over, let's see what is the background. Now what is the background? 255 250 144. That means yellow. I mean, this is the RGB code for the different colors. Okay. So this is what I'm actually I may get. So this jQuery you can execute, or there you just have to say background color, get CSS attribute value, and the parameter name is background color. Okay, string background color is equal to semicolon. I will just say before. Okay, background color, and after doing drag and drop I will say after, no redeclaration, and instead of before it should be after. Okay, so let's do it. Right click, run as test-ng test. Can you see that yellow background? Okay, it is done. So let's go to the test case and see. Before it was 23331, and 1 is for opaque, how much transparency you want, and this is after performing that drag and drop operation. So is it clear? Yep. Instead of printing it, you can actually add an assertion, so here assert dot assert equal, so my bad, this assertion was from JUnit. Oops. Assert dot, it has to come from test-ng, that assert has to come from test-ng dot assert equal actual value is actual value I will be getting it from the web page, that is background color. And what is the expected value before? The expected value is this. So BACKGR background before drag failed, background color before drag and drop failed. Okay, the same way what I will do is I will add an assertion after also here. So the after background color, and I am expecting is this background color after drag drop failed. Okay, so this way I added an assertion. Let's run this code. Okay, see the initial state. Now the drag drop is done and you can see that color has changed. Go back and see the test case is ran with 0 failure. Here you see a pass result. So this is all how to do drag and drop operation with a Selenium. Also how to compare a color of some element. So we covered using get CSS value.